I came in, I was like, I'm gonna leave back out because all this food. I was like, yeah. We were all.
Why you been leaving him?
Yeah. That's why he's like, I need a dog or something, a cat or something. Like, I just get lonely in here. Like, you be lonely in here anyway. I don't even be out here like that. I be in my room.
Yeah, but it's different.
I live in my room.
It's different when you know somebody's there. And when you're there by yourself and nobody's there. Ask me how I know. It's a big difference. Trust me.
I don't know. All right. I got hey.
Cheers, everybody. We at the park again in the rain. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, my.
Hold your what?
My stuff. I gotta go to the car. I gotta go get my lighter. We got it here, Mama.
That's the view, you guys. I know I just got off a live. I'm back again, y'all. Just left from paying the rent. My honey paid her rent. I just went and paid my rent. Now we getting ready to go to Cubs. I need some milk, some cream, and I want to get me some eggs. I want to get a few things from the store until Thursday. Some that'll hold me off. I want to give me another, well, I ain't going to get no another case of water right now. Cheers. Oh, y'all can't see right there. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you for the like.
Yeah, you cold?
Yeah, it's starting to hit that back and that bald head of mine. Hello. How are you? Happy Monday.
Let's be a whole cloud. Monday. Just be like,
Show my face. No. You can go to my videos and see my face. It's raining out here. I got my hood and stuff on.
they can see your face with the hood on?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, okay. Show your face, bitch. I can see you. You know, I just gotta get that shit.
Happy Monday. It's cold. It's getting cold out here, y'all. All this rain. Is it raining where you at? Are you new to my channel or you been here before? Because I used to be told when I used to do my lives every day, they'd be like, "Mom, you never show your face." And I'm like, I'm just, I don't have no problem showing my face sometimes, but some days I just don't want to. I hope you're okay with that today. Can I get a free pass without showing my face today? Hello, Moonshine Master. Reveal myself. You could go to my channel and see how I look. Thank you for the hearts. I show my face on a lot of my videos. Go to my channel. You'll see it. That rain is coming down more, y'all. No show now. Excuse me? How do you come to somebody's channel giving demands? Are you for real? How you doing, Moonshine? I'm being demanded to show myself. That's funny. On my channel. Mouso. That's real funny. It's chilly out here. More chilly than I thought. I guess it rained. But it's been so hot here. It feel good though, don't it? We gotta take advantage of the rain. We out here in the rain. We normally take rides in the rain. We like it. We finna go to the store, go to the house, get a few things done, and be right back out here later, for the night over with. So we gonna be out in it today. Cheers, everybody. I already been in the rain. I got wet already. And I'm finna get wet all day today because I'm finna be back and forth in the rain. So I'm getting rain showers. Cheers. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, Mr. Duckhead. Thank you so much, Mr. Duck. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. And while you at it, feel free to become a member, okay? So you won't miss my face. It's 99 cents. Send a super chat or a super sticker, any amount. Nothing is obligated, okay, sweetie? You want to give demands, you need to give to get on this channel, okay? Okay, love? Hey, Tamika Davis, you left earlier. Where was you at?
You sure was taller for you.
I was calling your name, Tamika Davis. Thank you, Susan. What do you give? You can become a member. Or a super chat or a super sticker. It's in the right-hand corner with a $sign. Any amount of your choice, or you could become a member for 99 cents, sweetie. I will be gladly to do your demands when you do mine. Tamika Davis, you jetted on me earlier. Yeah, I know Tamika Davis. You've been my mom for years. I'm broke too. We all broke. It's okay. Just subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. I'm broke too. As long as y'all subscribe, that's enough for me. You don't have to send super chats, super stickers, and become members. Everybody don't have 99 cents. I get it. I'll be broke too. See, I understand. I'm not going to get mad because you don't donate to my channel or you don't become a member to my channel. I'm not going to get mad at you because I know how times is hard out here. You need them 99 cents. Or you need that $2 or $3. I get it. You coming from a broke... You're chatting with a person that's a good budgeter. I know what it is, y'all. We all broke in this chat. Y'all being here is enough for me. I'm cool with that. Cheers, everybody in the chat. Happy Monday morning. Thank y'all for being here. Please hit the like button for me. I appreciate that, you guys. That helps me out too. Hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. Y'all hit the thumbs up. Morning. I know, that's all I'm saying. I sure wish I had that Arnold hoodie. We took care of our business early, didn't we? Man, we gotta deal with this all day. All this rain, y'all. Hello, Max. Laugh out loud. You from Israel? Okay. Yep. Oh, you not from India? Oh. Come on now, Mr. Duck. Don't be rude. Don't be rude, Mr. Duck. Oh, you seen the video? Oh, okay. I ain't seen no video like that. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, my bad. Y'all funny, y'all. I ain't gonna be on here that long, y'all. Not like I was earlier. This just a I know Tamika Davis, right? This is just a quick chat. Another check-in. A coffee chat, actually. The other one was a ride-along. Even though it really isn't much to talk about, I did all the talking earlier, but got coffee, cafe latte. Hello, boss lady. Welcome. Happy Monday. How are you? Nice to see you. I got my coffee. I'm sitting in the rain. Well, not in the rain, at the park, having a quick coffee chat before we go to our next destination. Next. Cheers. You see that lightning? Did y'all see that lightning? This is about the only cup I'm gonna have today. I'm not gonna finish it. I'm gonna toss it before we leave. Here, listen. Y'all hear the rain? You hear the lightning? I'm telling y'all, this rain, I'm telling y'all, when that rain get into your back and your neck and your body, you hear it? Oh, okay, honey. I gotta make No, it ain't go. No, it's really not going to stop all day. The clock, I mean the weather. It said all day long. All right, one more stop to make before we go back to house number 3. The apartment. I call it the condo. Even though it's not. Y'all know it ain't a condo. I just call it that because it's up high, honey. I'm telling y'all, when I first moved in, like the first couple weeks, I couldn't look out the window too long. I was getting dizzy. Now it's nothing to me. I still can't stare at it for long periods of time, but I can look at it without my head swelling up. I'm starting to get used to the new place, though, y'all. I'm starting to. I said I was going to try to go live more there, just to try to get more and more used to going live again. Tamika Davis, you remember I used to go live every day. Remember? Be looking out the window chats everybody got tired of. The window vlogs. Yeah. I said I was going to try to do it at least a few times a week. I like my coffee chats in the morning, even though I don't be talking about none. I just want to get in the routine of going live every day for a little while. Even if it's just 10, 15 minutes. I'm going to try. I don't know, Jackson. I don't eat meat, so I don't know. I've been a pescatarian for what, a year and a half now? But I have nothing against meat. I ain't get this big for nothing, honey. Trust me. I just don't eat it now. But I don't have nothing against meat. It just ain't for me anymore. Cheers to that. But I do eat fake meat. I eat plant-based meat. Trust me, the plant-based meat, y'all, don't taste nothing like real meat. But I did taste I had a hot dog that I ordered that was plant-based. It tastes so much like real meat, I couldn't eat it. Remember, babe? I couldn't eat it because it tastes too much like real meat. I ordered it from Amazon. I was like, it tastes too much like real meat. And I paid like almost $10 and only like 6 or 8 of them came in there, in the pack. And I couldn't eat it. It didn't taste like plant-based, it tastes like cow meat. Nobody's judging. Just somebody say something I don't see, y'all. Y'all be nice. Be kind to one another, you guys. There's enough bad stuff happening in the world already, y'all. Let's be kind to each other, especially in my lives. I normally don't have people getting into it, in my life like that, Y'all be kind to one another. People over in Florida is getting flooded out with 6 feet or 6 inches of rain. People in Atlanta, I heard. Like, y'all be kind to one another. There's so much bad things going on in this world. When you come on the internet, go into, kind, Now, see, Jackson, that's what I'm talking about. You want to be noticed? I see you, Jackson. can smell deer with the R want to be noticed too. I see. Hey, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. I see you. You want to be noticed? Hey. There you go. You happy now? Jackson, really? I don't mind y'all saying certain things, but all that negative stuff, come on now. We all adults here. Are y'all adults or children? I'm asking. And Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you can tell that's a child. School ain't started yet. School ain't started yet. That's right. Some schools don't start till next week. You so old. Talking like that, Rudolph? I don't know. I don't know. You can't be grown talking like you could smell somebody from there. You can't be. Your bones creak, my bones pop and creak. You ready? All right, you guys, my time is up. It's time to go. Thank you, Tamika Davis, Boss Lady Denise, all my Charlies and Trolls. Thank you, guys. Cheers. It's time to go. Time to get back to the house. I'll see you guys later. Bye.